Our top focus with elections around the corner, security at the Delhi airport is one of the tightest yet. The CISF, the National Security Guard and a slew of other agencies are on the watch round the clock. But there is a chink in this armour, and a very big one at that. It's called the Aerocity. Pankaj Upadhyay of Headlines Today investigates how the very controversial project is a disaster waiting to happen.
It's hundreds of acres of prime property in the capital, at the centre of a whopping 12,000 crore rupee development plan. But as we discovered, the Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport promoted Aerocity just adjacent to Delhi Airport is one security nightmare refusing to end. The development, with 12 hotels coming up in the area, are in clear view of the runways, with aircraft taking off and landing every few minutes, making air travellers in Delhi sitting ducks. Security clearance to these hotels was given with some big riders. Rooftops, considered the biggest threat, were to have limited access, with biometric systems in place to avoid unwanted visitors. Sophisticated security gadgets including sensors and bulletproof heavy glasses for all windows were also part of the security clearance. Despite the purported security measures in place, Headlines Today faced no problems, no restrictions at all in reaching the rooftops of the under-construction hotels in Aerocity.
We are just half a kilometer away from the runway of the Indira Gandhi International Airport, sitting in one of the hotels under construction building of the Aerocity. We will try and get you the first-hand account of how secure, how safe this place really is.
We then moved on to another building. Shockingly, there was no security here as well. Only a direct line of sight to the Delhi airport. Hangar, maintenance area, aircrafts, all within striking range of not more than 300 meters.
Now, we are sitting on the rooftop of another under construction building of Aerocity. Hilarious as it may sound, from this very place, the runway of the Indira Gandhi International Airport is not more than 300 meters. You don't believe me? Well, have a look at the visuals yourself. My camera person Abhay Kumar will show you. Now, have a look at the runway, have a look at the hangar. From this point, I can see at least 60 to 70 small and big aircrafts, including the military aircrafts and choppers. Now, how difficult would it really be for any terrorist who gets an approach to this very rooftop and strike from this very place?
What it exposes is a very exposed Delhi airport with a runway vulnerable to the terror attack from the Aerocity. Hangars within striking distance from Aerocity buildings. More than 50 aircraft which could be targeted at any time. Even military choppers exposed to someone standing on hotel rooftops.
For more than 60 minutes, we were at the rooftop of two under construction buildings here in the Aerocity, near the IGI International Airport. No security guard stopped us. One wonders how and on what basis has the government given a go-ahead and clearance for these chain of five-star hotels to come up when they do not even meet the basic riders that were set up. From the passenger point of view, definitely this might be a good news that they are getting a chain of hotels near the runway. But then from the safety point of view, this is a scary scenario. With camera person Abhay Kumar, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in New Delhi, reporting for Headlines Today.